All of those economic indicators were hot enough to justify a rate hike. 6% PPI is not normal, it is very high. If Trump does not do something, then this hot PPI number, it can force Kane Warsh, new Fed chair, his first FOMC, June FOMC, to be hawkish. And I think Trump will not like neither rate hike nor hawkish June FOMC meeting. All the people who are panic selling gold on fear of rate hike, I think Trump have more fear from rate hike than gold trader. Because from Iran war, what he achieved, inflation is still rising, NFP not falling, and all the possibility of rate cut they are decreasing. I think time is coming, just wait and watch when Trump will panic more than gold trader. Everyone know Trump want rate cut, and to justify a rate cut, he can do anything. Currently busy with China trade deal, but I think Trump will not like a rate hike, and because of that, your new support and resistance level 4400 area most important support level if new lower low come. Currently price testing 4500 area, big steady support level psychological area, and top to bottom 50% fib level. So if new lower low come, make sure you do not sell in this area. So below 4500 do not sell, don't do FOMO selling, because after NFP news, after CPI, after higher than expected PPI, now you read news headline and now you sell, now it is too late. That can be trap selling. So these three are your levels. You can see 4660 most important resistance level. Below this 4500 is psychological area, testing third time, but still you can see so much selling pressure from fundamental news CPI PPI, and yields are flying. Even stock market is turning down, but still you can see something magical on 4500. Still that level is not breaking on intraday H4 chart. So in case of new lower low, 4400 will be your next big intraday support level. I don't think price can stay on 4400. But still, if price make new lower low, that will be 61% retracement top to bottom. So these three are your level. You have to trade based on these three level. And I think below 4500 area, first of all, avoid selling. Now it is too late to trade headline. And second, there can be trap selling. You should avoid selling near 4400 area in case new lower low. Because technically still that will be fifth zone, 50 to 61% retracement. Technically still people will buy gold, because everyone know Trump will use all his power. He can do anything, but he will avoid a rate hike. Since all the economic indicator, all the data now justify that falling gold price, a red line even on intraday H4 chart, but nothing is going to change before next NFP. So remaining day of May month, gold can stay down under selling pressure, but I think very hard for gold to fall or maybe stay below 4400. So you have clear level 4400, 4500 and 4660. For more clear information why under so much selling pressure, clear verification by fundamental news like NFP, CPI and PPI, still gold not breaking 4500. If you watch daily time frame closely, then you will see traders are selling gold on 50% retracement from upside. They are also buying gold on 50% retracement from downside. So buyer and seller both are struggling and they are making a sideways range. But most important, you can see for last 7 months, gold is sideways near 4400. For all the reason, gold spike but dump. But in the end, buyer come for any reason they buy gold on 4400. If new lower low come on daily time frame, price breakdown below 4500. More panic selling on Monday market open. But it is too late. Now you are trading news headline which already passed. Imagine if price make new lower low and start falling below 4400. Same thing will happen again. These buyers will return. They will buy gold once again without any fundamental reason to justify rate cut right now. Because 6% PPI, If Trump does not do anything, Warsh in June FOMC meeting, he will give hawkish speech and pause will continue, which Trump will not like. Either they leak new Fed chair Kevin Warsh is ready to do preemptive cut, front loading rate cut, or any news come. Either they leak June FOMC meeting. Under all conditions, they are willing to ignore everything. Stock market trading on all-time high, NFP creating job, CPI flying, and PPI very hot, 6%. Under these conditions, they are ready to do rate cut. Either that information leak or market blindly buy gold near 4400. Everyone know new Fed chair is dovish and his Trump puppet. He will do rate cut under any condition. And why there is a chance there will be preemptive rate cut? They can ignore everything. Rising stock market up to very hot PPI number 6%. And why for last 7 months traders are buying gold near 4400? Because make a list, they are pausing interest rates since beginning of the year. You have oil spike which create recession risk. Even PM Modi panicking. That is your number 2 gold market. And currently we are in peak marriage buying season. That buying is now on highest level because people are buying and nobody can stop them. These are the buyers who buy gold once and hold forever. And their policymaker are asking to stop buying gold for at least 1 year. And blaming everything on Iran war that oil shock. So clearly that statement from PM Modi, you can say confirmation that finally Iran war is leading US economy into a recession. But that thing is not showing on stock market, not NFP, not CPI, not PPI number. So everything is still rising. But problem is, you can see price action, neither market want to wait, they buy gold, you see big spike, neither central bank want to wait. Either that thing confirm in June FOMC meeting, next 1 month, 30 days from now, or somehow they leak FOMC decision, or magically Trump do something and change everything and market start justifying a rate cut. Because time will come, either stock market turn, NFP decrease, CPI start falling, or PPI show downtick. So preemptive means, and this is not new, Powell did in 2025, from August Jackson Hole meeting to December 2025 FOMC meeting, they were doing preemptive rate cut. They did a rate cut before CPI start falling, before NFP turn negative. They did rate cut in advance. Now CPI, PPI, they all rising after their lag effect. Time will come when Iran war oil shock will have negative effect and it will show in CPI and PPI number, but currently it is not showing. Even if you do not understand preemptive rate cut, at least you can see sideways gold range near 4400 on daily chart. And this can be ABC zigzag. You can see multiple red candlestick, same to same as predicted. In last weekly video, you can see Monday market open, gold can stay under selling pressure. And most of the weakness in gold you saw after PPI number. So that is the power of macroeconomics fundamental. When you have clear understanding of macro, you can predict next direction in gold without seeing chart, without technical confirmation. And now you almost have red line, vertical line, not random, justified by higher than expected NFP and higher than expected PPI number. But if you sell gold again starting Monday after reading all the news headline and buying on the top, now it is too late. And watch carefully starting Monday till Friday closing. How market react in this area? Just $100 sideways range from 4500 to 4600. Just wait 1 week and watch market reaction. If market starts showing rejection in this area, it make hammer candlestick or multiple tail. Just 1 week, Monday to Friday, after that we can start buying again. Before that, wait for rejection or market recover back again near 4700. So all the support and resistance are not visible on same time frame, but 4400 support, then 4500, then 4660. These are 3 level and you have to trade based on these level. But please Do not make mistake of selling news headline below 4500, because if it is a retracement low counter trend correction before June FOMC meeting, then you can imagine if Kevin was do front loading premature rate cut preemptive same like Powell, then time will come this year 5k area can retest again. Even weekly time frame you can see so many candlestick, especially last 3 weekly candlestick. So much confirmation and selling pressure by hot economic indicator, still gold not breaking below 4500 on weekly time frame. No closing, clear rejection by weekly candlestick. Last week you saw selling pressure same to same as expected. Now this week we are expecting rejection in this area. Then after that we can start trading reversal. But we need rejection this week, a confirmation.